Hello everyone, my name is Horvat and welcome to a new video on cryptocurrencies. As you know, we haven't seen much of volatility in the last few weeks on cryptos, so that's why I didn't provide you much of analysis on this. However, when you see less and less cryptocurrencies mentioning in major media, that's actually when volatility, I think, it may come back. Okay, because normally the breakouts will occur when they are least expected. So looking at Bitcoin, clearly we are still in downtrend, and I would not be surprised if we see even drop towards 4,000. But the idea is that we may see a bottom formation, maybe already by the end of this year, but ideally some evidences of a turn next year, because I'm tracking here an ending diagonal formation. So this is a 5-wave pattern where you see wave 4 trading into territory of a wave 1, but the idea of an ending diagonal is that market still moves to a new lows, but with much slower pace. And also normally when momentum in this downtrend gets tighter and tighter, it normally means that sooner or later momentum will explode. But normally this will happen when market is at the lows, and you will see an explosion in momentum and volatility in the other side of this move. So actually ending the diagonal suggests that we are in the final stages of this downtrend, and that, as I said, in 2019 we may see some recovery. However, before we may look for any bullish call, I think that we have to respect the current price action and be aware of more downside, because I don't see any evidences of a loss yet. So what I'm looking at is waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in wave 5 I'm also expecting 3 waves, because in ending diagonals each leg is made by 3 waves. And ideally this contracting range that we are tracking right now, as I said, for the last few weeks we have seen tighter volatility. So I think that this volatility could actually come back very soon, because I see this wave B triangle trading at this trendline resistance here connected from May highs, and also we may be already in final stages of this triangle A, B, C, D, and maybe we are all now in wave E. So I would not be surprised if we see a drop. However, keep an eye on 6,000 level. If we see a daily close below this or double bottom if you want, then I really think that new lows may not be far away. Okay. So generally speaking, cryptocurrencies are still under pressure, and we have seen Bitcoin Cash actually showing a nice rally recently. But when you see other markets, other cryptocurrencies still trading in a tight range and actually showing potential triangle formations that I will show you in the next charts, this actually for me suggests that we are not in any new bullish phase just yet. So it means that Bitcoin Cash could actually face limited upside. Okay, so here you can see Bitcoin in a triangle, and as I said, we may see drop to a new lows. You can to a new lows after completed wave E. Also, Monero seems to be in a similar situation. Even EOS has this triangle formation. So for me, each chart suggests that we are just moving sideways, and if we are trading sideways, normally this suggests that this is just a pause with an ongoing larger trend. And if you want to take a look, where is the larger trend? Well, clearly trend or price is trading down away from 20,000 on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as well. So for me, it suggests that we may see, when the breakout occurs, in the same direction like it's the primary trend. So I'm expecting to see more weakness on cryptocurrencies. Of course, anything can happen if my resistance levels, or if we see on Bitcoin rallying above or back to 9,000, of course I will have to change the views. But as it stands right now, I really would not be surprised if we see more weakness. So with that being said, Bitcoin Cash, as I said, is can be just in another corrective rally. Here you can see that actually this can be waves 1, 2, an extended wave 3, and now maybe wave 4, which is trading into some interesting resistance levels actually. And also we have only 3 waves rise from the lows. And keep an eye also on this April 04 or April 06 levels around there, which this previous swing low actually could be a very nice resistance here. So as long as we are below this level and below this wave 4 here at 650, I think that this downtrend is still intact. Unless we see a strong push towards 900, then of course I will have to change my views. Okay. So as I said, market cryptocurrencies, I still think that bulls will come, but we are not there yet. Okay, so if you are looking maybe for some trading opportunities, you will have to be on the long side. You will have to be very, very selective, or you want to be just patient like me and wait on market to make or reach a new low, and then wait on evidences of a bottom in place, which would be, if you're trading from an Elliott wave perspective, which would be based on a 5-wave rise from the lows. And so far, I don't see this happening on those cryptocurrencies. Okay, so traders, thank you very much for your attention. I hope that you like this video. Please leave me your feedback in the commentary below if you're in a trading view. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.